Hello, Professor. Uh, for this assignment, I performed full crowd and authentication. As you can see, I've created um, a database collection here with the new URI, which is local MongoDB. But this is the for MongoDB Atlas. So as you can see, uh, we have defined it, controllers, as you mentioned in the meeting, that controllers usually talks to routers, and routers usually talk to controllers, and controllers connected to uh, model which is connected to MongoDB. So here under the controllers, I have created contact controllers with the different elements here, and as you can see, here we have display added page and display the process added page, and for display edit page and the rest. And under the view for authentication, I added login and register for that, and connected to controllers. So under the controllers, I have under the models, I have user also. User, I have already defined the user with these elements. So this is for authentication. As you can see, we have the user and username and email, and also yes. So if you look at to functionality of this page, as you can see, this is my contact business contact number, business contact list. As you can see, I don't have any functionality under this page because they were totally hidden. As soon as I clicked the add page, it directs me to the login page. If I put my name, because I have this user already in my database, it gives me error, that authentication error. So here the connect flash workings very well. So I've tried to log in with a different user. Let's call Anderson, password 1234. Still, I have to register first. Password 1234. So now the user can access to the main page. So as you can see, the user can add a contact. For example, is submit. it's added to the list. If I edit, let's say 60 instead, yeah, it's edited. If I try to delete that, it's warning it's under the script folder, which is the JavaScript folder. So if I delete, it's gonna be deleted. Here, full CRUD is working properly, authentication is working very properly. As you can see, welcome Anderson is showing here. So that's all. Thank you.